Worried about low dedicated server framerate, struggling to predict server crashes, afraid of player churn from unstable connections. Introducing our new plugin feature, a real-time telemetry monitoring platform. Monitor all dedicated servers, understand performance and stability requirements. Now, let's look at the setup. Some steps require manual setup. First, create an IAM identity center and a user. You will receive an email that looks like this. Complete registration via the email you receive. Next, run our CloudFormation template. Once CloudFormation finishes, access Grafana via the output link. Add the new user and set them as admin. Then, open the Grafana workspace and log in using the user we just created. Now, manually add 2 data sources. 1. CloudWatch. Select your region. Configuration is automatic. 2. Amazon Managed Service for Promboys. Select your region for automatic setup. Copy the CloudFormation outputs into the dedicated server's install.sh file. In your code, add the init metrics node just before the init SDK node. It automatically collects tick information, memory usage, including physical and virtual memory, network usage, including packet count, packet size, and packet loss rate, and crash statistics. We can now use the new menu toolkit in the plugin to compile both the Linux server and the Linux AERM6 for server. If you'd like to see how to use this feature, please check out this video. Compile the Linux AERM6 for server and zip the compiled files, dependencies. Upload the zip file to your S3 bucket. Create the AWS CloudFormation stack using the example project template. Get the S3 object version and add it to the game server build object version parameter. You can change other parameters based on your use case. Let's continue after it finishes. Once the GameLift stack is ready, we can view the telemetry data. From our template, locate the Server Performance EC2 table, then copy and import the template into the Grafana dashboard. View and analyze your dedicated server performance. Data refreshes every 10 seconds by default, which you can change in the Blueprint's metrics parameters.